So now just recording the visual difference between the GoPro 7 Black as well as GoPro 5. So this is the GoPro Black 7, and surely it's much smooth. The body is much smooth, so that is nice. And this is the GoPro Black 5, and they look alike. They are like 99% same. It's just that the body is smooth in the case of GoPro 7, but yeah, they are essentially same. Now we will just try switching on the GoPro 5 and 7 just to see how the user interface looks like of each of them. So we will just insert the batteries. So GoPro 7 will work with any of the batteries. So GoPro 5 battery, 6, 7, 8, it will work with all. While the GoPro 5 will only work with the older version batteries. So the batteries which have black color or black part, that is what it needs. And yeah, this is how the screens of GoPro 5 and 7 looks like. The first one is GoPro 7 and the second one is the GoPro 5. And as you can observe, GoPro 7 is much faster, so it will load much faster and it will shut down much faster, so that is nice. The UI is also pretty interesting, and GoPro 5 has pretty old UI or user interface. So these are the different video modes which it offers as the option. So that was about the GoPro 5 and GoPro 7. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.